Hi guys, I'm Pooja Dhingra from Low 15 and today I'm going to show you how to make this Instagram coffee sensation. I don't know why it's such a big deal. I feel like I've been making this since my nanny had been making this for me since I was like 10 years old, and I still remember going to Delhi in the winters and she would, whip this Indian espresso for me. But it is all the rage and it is super simple, so I'm going to teach you how to do it. So it's actually super simple. We're going to start with just some instant coffee, some sugar and some water. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, okay, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then we're going to whisk it till our arms fall off. I want you to know that Preeti in my kitchen makes the best. We call this the Fetun coffee. So this is already known as Fetun coffee at Low 15. Seeing the color change, we're seeing the thickness change. And yeah, I miss my machines in the kitchen. Okay, so now our coffee whip is ready. You see that consistency? There. So I normally like to do this with hot coffee, but everybody's doing it with cold. So here we go. Just fill that up. So here we go guys, that's our Dalgona coffee, the internet sensation. It's super simple. Enjoy.